Hello, viewers around the globe. This is Dr. Afshan Hashmi, your best selling author, radio, and TV personality. And today, friends, I wanted to remind you that please go and buy these two books, The Modern Mughal Mentality, New Strategies to Succeed in India, and the Global Marketplace and the Outbreak of a Monstrous Infection. And this book is a business book where I have conceptualized Jugaad as thinking outside the box. And when this book came, there was lot of studies going on Hindi buzzword Jugaad. And here I have devised a business model called Jugaad Management Principle Business Model. And this book was hot number one new release as well as Amazon bestseller. And this one, The Outbreak of a Monstrous Infection. When this book came in 2019, there was no trace of coronavirus, and I have educated in a murder and very cozy mystery, murder mystery, that what viruses can ruin the human population as coronavirus has done. Having said that, and this was also an Amazon bestseller, please go and buy these two books and go to my website www.afshanhashmi.com and see like what services I offer for authors, publishers, and for writers and upcoming writers, and you will see all the services. And I'm looking for sponsorship for my radio and TV shows. So I have two radio come TV show and one TV show. So just go, and all the information is on my website www.afshanhashmi.com, and contact me at afshan@drafshanhashmi.com. Today I thought, friends, that I will do unboxing of this mystery box which I got from Jeffree Star, but I opened it because this is my unboxing already. I didn't make a tape for unboxing, but I just wanted to show you what came in this. The scrub came in this, and then there is a lipstick, a liquid lipstick which came in it, and then there is a lip gloss which came in it, and it cost me $35. And I wanted to review it because this is my first experience with Jeffree Star products. So let me start the review of this product, and here it is. Let me uh, see what. So this is like the Jeffree Star. Uh, it says cosmetics, and then it says lip scrub. I have heard so much about this product, and Jeffrey himself has shown many times in his review this product. So I was very curious that what this product is. So as soon as it came yesterday, so as soon as it came, I just put some on my lips, and believe me, like it was like my lips were all very like not very dry. So when I put this, my lips have become very smooth. But what I did it, that I mixed it with little bit of petroleum jelly, and I put it on this, and my lips have become very smooth. And here, this is the strawberry taste, and it looks very good. And it says velour lip scrub. No, it is not strawberry, it is watermelon gum taste. So, and it smells like watermelon, and it is so good. And I just have applied it, and then I washed my face, and then my lips became smooth. So whenever I do a review, I always see like if the product I have applied, because my style is that I don't apply the product in front of you because I am in full makeup. So, and I leave it at least 3 hours that I have applied the product, and I have tested it that on my face that there was no allergic response or anything. So everything is fine, and see how beautiful my face looks today. So now the second product I got in that mystery box was this Jeffree Star Velour liquid lipstick. And what is the color? It is Family Jewels. And I've never, but today I earlier today I applied this, and this is very good color. So I like brown colors. So this is the thing here. And what I did was I applied little bit here under this lip color, and then I used another lipstick. So I mixed this one I mixed this one and lipstick and the new color. I came up like this, and then this was the lip gloss. And when I see how it is shining, and when I put that, my lips were shining. So this is also a very good product. So I have never tried his products, but I was very curious to see, because I have done thousands of cosmetic reviews. And so the mystery box came with $35 value, the mini one, with all these products inside, and you can see. So there was no point of unboxing it. Can you see it? There was no point in unboxing it. So let me take it out and show it to you. And there was this tissue paper, and so these are the products, and I just love these products. And these are all Dr. Afshan Hashmi approved. So I just wanted to do a quick review of these products. And if you want to read about these products, you can go to his website and you can read about it. I'm not uh, today not doing that, because then the video gets very long. I just want to do a quick uh, product review cosmetics of Jeffree Star Cosmetics, the ones I got in the mini box. And I just wanted to remind you that I have done thousands of cosmetic reviews. So if you have your cosmetic products, just send me and I will review them. And go to my website www.afshanhashmi.com, and there are you will see that how much I charge a very nominal fees to do the cosmetic reviews. I do book reviews, and I do also I do movie and TV serial reviews. And send me your products, and I can see if I can review that product. Write to me first, Afshan at drafshanhashmi.com, and see that what kind of reviews I have done. It is all on my website www.afshanhashmi.com. And please remember to buy these two books. And this book, The Outbreak of a Monstrous Infection, I want a movie to be made out of it. So all those Hollywood and Bollywood and independent producers listening, please contact me at afshan at drafshanhashmi.com. And I got this book evaluated by Tailflix, and the evaluation is on my uh, web page, www.afshanhashmi.com. So go and see that. And now my thoughts on these products, as I told you, they are all very good. So just these are all approved by me. So I will take it out once again to show it to you. Here it is. And this is the packaging. I just love the packaging. And there is a lot of product in it. And this is what I liked. And then this one is the lip gloss, and it was in this packaging. I love the packaging. I love everything about it. And the product, what they claim, is doing its work. So I would approve this product. And here is the Jeffree Star thing, but here I mixed it with petroleum jelly and put it, because my lips were very dry, so it was like little dry, and I could feel the product. So I mixed it with petroleum jelly, and then I liked it, and everything is very good about it. And I would give these products 5 stars, and these are Dr. Afshan Hashmi approved. And having said that, friends, I again want to remind you that please go and buy these two books and give me an honest review. And these books are available wherever books are sold, in Kindle, in no, in paperback, and in audiobooks. And I have read my audiobooks. So if you have those kind of needs, so go to my website, which is the best place to see what products reviews I have done, what movie reviews I have done, and what book reviews I have done, what talk shows I do, so, and what TV shows I do. And I am looking sponsorship for my radio and TV show. So if you like my style, then please give me sponsorship, because of course I need a sponsorship. I have to make some money, and I only write books and do whatever is on my website, so I have to make money, and please help me in that endeavor. Having said that, this is my lucky mascot, and I am Dr. Afshan Hashmi, managing member of Dr. Afshan Hashmi Consulting Group. And you can go to my website www.afshanhashmi.com or www.drafshanhashmi.com or http Dr. Afshan Hashmi's radio.com. And here is my lucky mascot cup, and cheers, and see you in another episode. Where and here right now I am live broadcasting at Facebook, on both my Facebook page and YouTube, and I will soon put it in all my social media channels so everybody can see this video. Cheers and bye bye.